Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal khichdi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of yellow moong dal, and your favorite chopped vegetables like carrots and peas. We'll also use a few basic spices. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and healthy meal, coming together in less than 20 minutes. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a warm, comforting, and nutritious dish. Now, let's start preparing the base for our khichdi. Begin by thoroughly rinsing 1/4 cup of yellow moong dal under running water until the water runs clear. Then, pressure cook the rinsed dal with 1 cup of water for about 2 whistles, ensuring it becomes soft. In a separate pot, combine 1 cup of rolled oats with 2 cups of water and cook until the oats are tender and have absorbed most of the liquid, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, we'll create a flavorful tempering. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida, letting them splutter. Then, add 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, sautéing until golden. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and your chopped vegetables. Finally, add the cooked oats and dal, along with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, mixing everything well to combine the flavors. Your delicious oatmeal khichdi is now ready to be served. Garnish it generously with fresh coriander leaves for a burst of freshness. For an extra touch of richness, you can add a small dollop of ghee on top or serve it alongside a bowl of plain yogurt. This wholesome dish is packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, making it a perfect choice for a light yet satisfying meal. Enjoy this comforting and healthy preparation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.